Joe Gardner.
And first of all, I'd like to thank you for hearing me out. I've got a very specific thing about the budget. I'm sure you're all familiar with what sanctuary cities are. So a sanctuary city is a city that refuses to enforce federal immigration laws in the city. The reason they can do that is because the federal government can't force states, cities, counties to enforce their laws. That's called nullification. By the same token, the states can't force cities and counties to enforce their laws. It's not a law, it just can't be done, it's natural law. The purpose of law enforcement, and the only legitimate purpose of law enforcement, is to punish someone who has hurt someone else. Every time I would go to anything that's involving the sheriff's department, I always bring up the idea of marijuana, and they always say that it's not something they really pursue or not something they give a lot of attention to. But if you watched the news last week, you realize that really wasn't the case. They brought in a helicopter from Garland. They had the DEA, which is a terrible idea, bringing the Tyler all over marijuana last week. And it's something that's a victimless crime. It's really not something that I think that most people in Smith County believe that the sheriff's department should be going after in the first place. When the sheriff's department asks for an increase in budget, part of that budget is adding new officers. If they're chasing around people for victimless crimes now, I personally, and I think most people in Smith County, could not justify that increase. And that's really all I had to say about that, and I thank you for your time.
Thank you, Mr. Gardner.